I want to visit as many of the 540 cities as I can to talk with people just like the people and the citizens here of Cedartown. Your concerns are important to me. Your views are important to me. Your ideals are important to me. What better person to represent the state of Georgia and its citizens than one who has experience of 15 years on the local level of government, on the city council, and as mayor? What better person to represent the citizens of the state of Georgia than one who has dedicated 10.5 years of his life to his country in the United States Air Force and Air Force Reserves? What better person to represent the citizens of the great state of Georgia than one who has 14 years experience in education? What better person to represent the citizens of the state of Georgia than one who has 4 years experience at the state level of government on the County and Municipal Probation Advisory Council, where I served as chairman? What better person to represent the citizens of the state of Georgia than one who has 4 years experience on the national level of government, working alongside of the National League of Cities out of Washington, D.C., working on behalf of youth all over our country, trying to bridge that gap between traditional values and the old ways of doing things, ensuring that we can prepare our youth for their future leadership role. My name is Carl Cammon, and I am running for governor of Georgia, and I need your support, I need your prayers, I need your ideas, and I need to hear from you as soon as you can. You can log on to my website at CammonForGovernor.com.